Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing another unboxing. I have another one of these Alotta Axolotls surprise balls and I'm excited to see what it is. Cute! It's the little sleepy one. I really like that one, so I'm happy with this. So this is the sand. This is bigger, so I'm putting the sand in here. It's blue, which makes sense. It's quite a dark blue actually. She looks a lot lighter from the sticker. I wonder what colour she will be in toy form. Or in collectible form. It definitely matches the sticker, which I'm happy with. It is Napalotl. So all the other things must be in here then. Alright. Yep, we've got the little bear. It's so cute and tiny. I was actually expecting it to be bigger, but I like this. It's adorable. So cute. What bothers me is that the hat doesn't have like a way to like clip on, it just sits there. So it's a bit like a balancing act, but it looks really cute. I love how well the colours go together. The little bear is adorable. I'm glad it has that little bear. That's one of the reasons that I like this one so much, and it was one of my favourites, is because it had that little teddy bear. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all next time. Bye!